All right, got the rims cleaned up after my isopropyl alcohol bath. Got all the paint and primer stripped off. So we're gonna try this again from the beginning. So I'm just gonna be using some basic Tamiya putty. Let those dry up. Hopefully that'll be enough. If we need to add some more filler, we can. And now that we've got it mostly filled up, if we just need to do a little touch up, hopefully that Mr. Surface 500 will start working again now that we got the bulk of the hole filled. So I decided to strip them down and start over, and as you can see, that looks a lot better. So I think we're ready for some decals on these rims. So let's do that, and then we'll be ready for some clear coat. So while I'm at it, I might as well put the decal on the steering wheel too. Just be using a little bit of microset. Alright, so since I had the aluminum in my airbrush for the rims, I went ahead and masked off the dashboard and airbrushed up the center console for the interior, some of the control arms. I'll need to retouch it up with some black, but just kind of got some, and then the door cards, the aluminum inserts for the doors. I got those just masked off, so making progress. So while we're letting those decals dry, let's go ahead and mask up some more of the aluminum so I can repaint the black. So I think we're ready for some clear coat. So let's go do that. For my clear coat, this time I'm going to be using the Zero Paints. They're diamond finish, they're 2K clear system. So we'll get that mixed up. I usually use about 3 coats. Let it dry let it kind of flash off a little bit in between, like 5 minutes or so. But anyway, let's go spray some clear. So I got my 3 coats of clear on there. I always get little dust spots in there that I'll have to get out. I've got a big dust speck right there that is unfortunate, but that always happens. And then for some reason I've got a lot of dust particles in my engine cover, so that's really disappointing. But the clear is looking really good, so I've got some spots to sand out and polish back out again, so I'll be working on that later. The rims look really great. Really happy with those, the way they finally turned out. So let's do some flocking of the interior. We'll do that next. So for the interior, for the glue on the carpet, I'm just going to be using some Mod Podge. It's just a matte white glue is all it is. You can use Elmer's or any other just basic white glue that you want. This is just a regular tea strainer. And then this is Ken's Custom Fuzzy Fur. As you can see, these little fibers get absolutely everywhere, so just make sure you got everything covered up. All right, I think I've got everything painted up enough to assemble the interior, so let's do that. I love those metal transfer stickers that Tamiya does. It looks so good. Just regular medium super glue.